Welcome to Palawan Island, a paradise hidden within the depths of the Philippine archipelago. This video will take you on a journey to explore its beauty and secrets. Dive into the wonders of Porac Princessa, the island's capital. A bustling city with natural attractions that never fail to mesmerize. The Porac Princessa Subterranean River National Park is a must-visit. This UNESCO World Heritage Site boasts one of the longest navigable underground rivers in the world. Next, we explore El Nido, a slice of heaven on earth. This coastal town is renowned for its towering limestone cliffs, turquoise lagoons, and white sandy beaches. Marvel at the powerful yet delicate ecosystems within the small and big lagoons of Miniloc Island, El Nido. Kayak or swim amidst its tranquil and crystal-clear waters. Venture into the secret beaches of Matinloc Island. Shrouded by towering rock formations, these hideaways offer a unique, serene experience untouched by commercial tourism. Witness the breathtaking beauty of Culian, the jewel of Palawan known for its wreck diving sites and natural hot springs. Take a dip in Maquinit Hot Springs, a natural saltwater hot spring. Feel your muscles relax as the warm waters soothe your body and spirit. Explore the majestic waters of Kayangan Lake, dubbed as one of the cleanest lakes in Asia. A mesmerizing blend of salt and fresh water, it offers a unique snorkeling experience. Visit the enchanting Culian Island, once home to the world's largest leprosarium. Today, it serves as a living testament to the resilience and strength of the human spirit. Experience the exotic wildlife of Calawit Safari Park. A 3,700-hectare island, it hosts a variety of African and endemic Palawan species coexisting harmoniously. Immerse yourself in the local culture by engaging in traditional practices, like the Palawinos' communal fishing known as panglima. Taste the island's cuisine. Enjoy the fresh, succulent seafood, or savor the local delicacy, tamilok, a woodworm found in mangrove trees. Challenge yourself to go off-grid. Palawan boasts remote islands perfect for camping, stargazing, and reconnecting with nature. Stay in eco-friendly accommodations that blend seamlessly with the natural surroundings. Experience luxury while respecting and preserving the environment. Shop for local handicrafts and pearls, a signature of Palawan. Your support contributes to the livelihood of local communities. Engage with the friendly locals, they're always ready to share stories and lead you to less touristy spots. Finally, remember to respect nature. Leave no trace behind, allowing the pristine beauty of Palawan to continue thriving for generations to come. Experience Palawan, where every moment is a postcard-perfect memory waiting to be created. This is not just a travel guide, but an invitation to a journey of discovery. Palawan Paradise offers a tropical escape like no other, an oasis of beauty and serenity. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel experiences.